How to convert PowerPoint to video. So hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert PowerPoint to video in a simple way. So first you're going to click File, click Export, then click Create a Video. So here you have options to record a video. Don't use record times narration, prefer times in narrations, and seconds spent on each slides. So after customizing all that, you can click create video. After that, you can choose save as type. So MPEG for video or Windows Media Video. So it's up to you which you're going to choose. So just choose a save type and select the location file. So just click save. And there you go, it's automatically saved, and you just check the save location that you save as and you're pretty much good to go. Thank you.